All right, I don't know if this is going to all work. All I can do is do the best I can and see where it leads me. This whole piece could fail if I fail here, and that's why it's important for me to do this good. His whole personality is going to be tied up in the shape of this hat. I'm extending the brim out just a little bit because it lost its uniformity in the diameter away from the crown. And so now it's just a matter of trying to get it back into shape here. The hardest part of this whole thing is just evening everything out and balancing it, having it line up with your head that you're sculpting, and not look lopsided or off. This is probably the hardest part of the whole sculpture, is this part right here. On top of the fact that I don't feel 100% today anyway. Now the crown is starting to match his personality. Okay, now I gotta figure out. I don't know. Okay, it's just a matter of taking care of all the problems with the brim, because I had to extend the rim out, and the paper of the file folders coming through the brim a little bit, so I just gotta cover that up and try to even everything out. It kind of matches his personality, the hat. The hat gains its personality from its use and how it's used and how it's handled by the hand or the cowboy. And that's what I'm trying to put into it now, is the story of the hat. In the old days, cowboy hat had many uses. You could drink out of it. You could give water to your horse from it. You could plug a hole in a cabin window with it to keep out the weather. All right, I'm gonna set this aside for the weekend. Come back next week and see how I feel about it. That hat's a very important part of this whole thing. And if I don't think it looks right, it won't work with the clay that I've got right now. But I think it's going to be fine. I've just got a lot of detailing to do in the coat. Add some pockets and maybe a handkerchief hanging out from the pocket. I don't know. But I'm happy with how this has turned out. And I guess that counts for something. All right, everybody have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.